Scoot back.
There you go. Swing. There you go. Keep going. Hurry. That's a workout for him. One. Back up. I want to play. No, go on. Finish. Finish your game. Keep watching. Swing. There you go. Keep going. Watch that monkey. He's going to get you. Stay behind the thing. Good job. Listen, you can hear it hit. Are you getting the TV and everything on there? Oh, so you can put it on Facebook. Oh, no. Go! Keep hitting it. You're doing good. Scoot back. You missed one. Huh? Look. 39. All right. It's Mimi's turn once.